Your teachers and parents have probably told you this a million times.
2 million times.
Okay, 2 million times. You really, really need to be an excellent reader and an excellent writer. That's why we're here, to introduce you to TeenBiz3000. TeenBiz3000 is a special program from a company called Achieve 3000. It's going to help everyone in your class read and write better.
Much better.
Think about all the things that are going on in the world. The more you read about and understand what's going on, the more prepared you'll be in school, for high school, and for later on when you go to college and get a job.
What makes TeenBiz so cool is that you read articles about what's interesting and important all over the world.
And you do it on a computer or an iPad.
Then you take polls and do activities to make sure you understand and can write about what you just read.
You start a lesson by logging in and going to the home page.
If you think it looks cool, that's because it is.
You'll see a question like this one. Should these players be paid? Meaning, should college athletes make money for playing sports? The first thing you need to do is answer the poll question. I'm going to answer disagree. Sorry, I don't think college athletes should be paid. Your opinion is important. It's important now, and it gets even more important in higher grades and in college. But remember, opinions need to be supported by evidence, by information you read and research. As you discover new evidence, your opinion may change, or it may stay the same. Either is totally fine. Here's what my opinion is. I do not think college athletes should be paid because that could make them less interested in their classwork, which is why they're in college in the first place, right?
You need to really think about your response and write it carefully. Why do you think your opinion is right? What evidence do you have? Did you read or hear something that makes you think this way? Now comes step 2, the day's article. Here's where the program gets even cooler. Everyone in your class reads at a different level. Some of you might be a little further ahead or a bit behind. Based on a placement test you take, TeenBiz knows your exact reading level. The program sends everyone in the class the same article, but you get a version that's just right for you.
As your reading and writing improve,
the articles get more challenging, which leads to more and more improvement.
When you read the day's article, really read it. Take your time. Think about it as you read it.
If you don't understand something, read it again.
If you don't understand the word that's underlined, click on it to hear a definition.
Athletic, adjective, having to do with sports or moving around.
As you read the article, take notes and think about the poll you just took. Is there evidence in the article that makes you think your original opinion was right, or are you starting to change your mind?
When you're done with the article, click on Activity.
the activity is step number 3. You'll need to answer a few questions about the article. That's another reason why you need to read the article carefully, so you can answer the questions.
This question is asking what the main idea of the article is. It's B, that college athletes can't afford all of the costs of being in school, which is why they should be paid a share of the income made by their sports programs. The article said that scholarships don't pay for as many things as I thought, like clothing and trips home. I never knew that. You get 2 chances to answer the questions. If you get a question wrong the first time, try again. Refer back and check the article if you need to. Identify what the question is asking. In this case, what's the main idea?
So make sure you understand the article and make sure you finish all the activity questions.
Because you'll earn points when you do, and points mean gift certificates, games, and lots of other cool stuff.
We're almost done. Now comes step number 4, the second poll. The poll asked the same question that started the lesson. Should college athletes be paid? We all have opinions, but opinions need to be based on what we've read, heard, and seen. They need to be based on our own experiences.
The important thing is, whether you change your mind after reading the article or still have the same opinion, you need to explain why your opinion changed or stayed the same based on the information you read.
After reading the article, I'm switching my opinion from disagree to agree. My opinion is college athletes should be paid.
Now, for the final step,
Bum, bum, bum!
the thought question.
The thought question is where you pull it all together to show how well you understand the article and how you've based your response on the evidence from the article. Here goes. I think college players should be paid.
Here's another cool thing about TeenBiz. you get to see if other kids from all over the country change their opinions.
Did you know that more than 1 million kids use reading programs from Achieve 3000? Look, your teacher believes in you.
Your parents believe in you too.
They know that you're going to be a great reader and writer.
So use TeenBiz, and you will
Believe it!